Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of MissPlanIt. We are so glad you could join us. Before we get started with this week's project, just want to remind you that our flowers are available on our Amazon site. So if you would like to check them out, tell us what you think. In addition to that, there is a link to the free ebook with over a dozen projects using our flowers. So head on down to the description for that. It's there just for you. This week, we have a request from a community member, and her name is Sarah. And Sarah keeps it short and sweet. She says, "Hi, I'm Sarah. Thank you for your help." Love it. Well, Sarah, it is absolutely our pleasure to help you. And not only that, Sarah, I think we're going to help a lot of people create this gorgeous fireplace mantle decor for a fraction of the cost. So excited to share it with you. Such easy steps. Can everybody say layering? Because that is what we're going to be practicing and working on with this week's project, Purple Fields Fire Mantle Altar Wedding Decor. All right, guys, let's get started. So to create the base for our project, we're going to use this green styrofoam sheet. It comes in a 36 by 12 inch piece, but I cut it down to 24 by 6 to fit the mantle that I'm going for. So as long as you have your foam cutters, you can cut it down to fit exactly what you want. And if it's not long enough, you can double it in size and create two to fit the entire mantle piece. First thing we're going to do to layer it is go ahead and add our first round of greenery. The key to creating this beautiful look is layering. Just take your time. You're just layering upon layering, and it creates an overlapping natural feel. So if you're successful at it, no one will really be able to tell that they are artificial flowers, and you'll see what I mean. So we're just going to continue to take our time, layer, take a step back, see if you like it. If you need to rearrange, go ahead and rearrange. I do not add hot glue to the tips of my greenery because the foam is really strong enough to hold it in. But if for that extra bit of security, go ahead and add just a dab of hot glue on the end of your stem before inserting it into the styrofoam. Now that our mantelpiece is completed, let's go ahead and create those floral balls. So we're going to do that using a 3-inch styrofoam ball, some green leaf wire trim, and white carnations. Super simple. Now, to add extra security, you can put a dab of hot glue on the end of your wire trim before inserting it into the styrofoam ball. And then it's very simple. You're just going to continue to add your carnations, going all the way around and then filling in the sides. Easy peasy. To attach it to your styrofoam, I would just use a floral hook, and you're just going to determine the length, how long you want it to hang from your mantelpiece, and then go ahead and attach it with the floral pin. Well, Sarah, how did we do? I think it's just absolutely stunning. You can use this in several different ways. It can be, of course, the fireplace mantle like it's viewed in our inspiration picture, but it could also be an altar display. So if you have your altar at your church or wherever you choose to get married, this can sit on there and just create a beautiful backdrop. In addition to that, you could have tall columns and sit this across the top of the tall columns, as long as you have it secured very well at the top. And it's just so versatile, and I love it, and I can just envision it in all of those different places. Sarah, I hope you like it, and if you viewers like it, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every single week. And if you would like to follow us on social media, we would love to have you. And you can follow us at Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And if you have not already signed up for your Rakuten account, formerly known as Ebates, what are you waiting for? They pay you to shop. It's very simple. Head on down to the description, sign up for your Rakuten account. When you're ready to shop online, sign on to your account, find your vendor, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check at the end of the month. It is that simple. Don't forget to check out our MissPlanItShop.com, where you can find all of your DIY planning guide needs. We have several DIY planning guides on our shop, and they're there to help you plan the wedding or event of your dreams. It's so simple. Just click right up there in that little corner, check us out, see what we have there to help you, and they are all digital downloads so that you have the ability to use them immediately. You don't have to wait for shipping and handling, because we know during this time shipping and handling is a little bit special, but they are available to you immediately for downloads, and so many of you have used them and have told us how great they were for you, and we are just so grateful that we are able to help you create the event of your dreams. Our time goes by so fast, but before we go, I want to make sure I remind you, if there is a project that we can help you with, go ahead and down to the description, click on the project request, and submit your request. Follow the very simple steps. Also, don't forget to check out our MissPlanIt website, where we have so many additional things there to help you, more than we can put on our weekly video tutorial. So please check it out. We have blog posts, we have written and picture instructions, we have a resource library with free things in it to help you continue to be the DIYer of your dreams. We are so excited about our website, so don't forget to head on over there or click right there in the corner, and it'll take you right there to get all of the extras that we can't put on our weekly video post. Thank you so much for watching. We know you have so many options here on YouTube, and we are so grateful that you choose to spend this time with us. And don't forget, if you have questions or comments, go ahead and put them down right there in that section. And it is me, not one of the other team members that answers the questions. It does take me a little while to get to them, but just know I will get to them. So until next week, guys, always remember, when every penny counts, count on MissPlanIt. Please take care of yourselves. I'll see you soon. God bless.